Passed with minor repairs. Paint and minor repairs required by owner or vendor. Photos of completed repairs required to submit certification to the AHJ. Load test still may be required by the AHJ.
Fire Inspector and Engineers, Inspector Cunha. Here we are on, as you can see, this fire escape was recently done, but the weather with the trees get all this moss. See it on the iron, which has to be cleaned off and repainted, you know, because it's definitely in need of a paint job. As you can see, all that moss. Another thing is only one land in here. As I'm coming down, you see all new hardware. All new hardware everywhere, but it's just the moss growing all over the place on the iron. It's all nice and sealed tight, but it's just that moss on the iron. It needs to be cleaned and painted. As you can see coming down, see the paint and the caulking. It just needs to be touched up or give it a good paint job. As you can see coming down here, it's just the rust and the paint job, you know. That's all. Other than that, they're all brand new hardware, as you can see, but all the moss on the C channel there. And the same thing on this side, as you can see it even more. See, that's on the north side. It's all over the place there. You know? So Inspector Cunha, Fire Escape Engineer, signing off. As you can see, it's just one little landing. Go right at the top.
Load test still may be required by the AHJ. Passed with minor repairs. Paint and minor repairs required by owner or vendor. Photos of completed repairs required to submit certification to the AHJ. Fire escape issues. Photos represent what the violations are, not where they are or how many exist. Pass-fail inspection, not technical repair report.